In this video, we are going to learn how you can automatically send email with attachment from MS Excel. So the idea here is that you have created an Excel spreadsheet where you are maintaining some details. For example, the name of the customer, his email address, subject line of the mail, along with the body of the mail, whatever the message you want to send in the mail, and the attachment URL also. Now you want that whenever a new data is added to your Excel spreadsheet, automatically using those details, a mail should be sent to the customer on his Outlook account along with the attachment. So here you need to integrate your MS Excel with Office 365 or your Microsoft Outlook account. So here your trigger application would be MS Excel and your action application would be Office 365. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that you need to come to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. As now you are a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And by creating a new account, you're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. From the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as send email with attachment from MS Excel. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want to send the mails from our Excel spreadsheet. So we have to just integrate MS Excel with Pabbly Connect first. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Microsoft Excel. Select the trigger event as new row in a worksheet. Click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Microsoft Excel. Now it is asking let this app access your info. So let's scroll down and click on yes to give away the permissions over here. Authorization successful. And now the Microsoft Excel account is connected to Pabbly Connect. And as we have created a connection, here we can find all the workbooks that we have created in our Microsoft Excel account. Okay, you can find all the workbook names over here in the drop down. So now here I have already created a spreadsheet, that is a workbook, which I will show you. The name of the workbook is Welcome Emails to Customers. Okay, and here the sheet name is Sheet 1 where I have drafted some messages. And here I have given the name of the customer to whom I want to send the mail, his email address, the subject of the mail, message of the mail, as well as the attachment link. Okay, so now I want this particular data to be in Pabbly Connect so that I can send the mails to the concerned customer. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we'll be selecting the specific workbook name, that is Welcome Email to Customer. Now here, as I have created a single worksheet in this particular workbook, sheet name is automatically captured. But if you have created multiple worksheets, from the drop down, you have to select your specific worksheet name. Okay. Now, as we have already entered some data in this particular spreadsheet, I'm just moving back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to click on save and send test request, just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest data that was entered into your Excel spreadsheet. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the Excel spreadsheet are captured over here. The name of the customer, his email address, the subject line, as well as the message we want to send, and along with that the attachment link also. Okay. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in capturing the response as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. And here also it is mentioned that this particular trigger will check for the new data in every 8 hours. Okay. So now we want that using these details of the Excel spreadsheet, automatically a mail should be sent to the concerned customer on his Outlook account. So scroll down, come to this action step and here we have to choose the application, that is Microsoft Office 365. Here we have to select the action event as send mail. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Microsoft Office 365. So we are creating a connection with our Microsoft Outlook account. Let this app access your info. So let's scroll down and click on yes to give away the access. Authorization successful, and now the Microsoft Office 365 account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the subject of the mail. So here we have already got the subject from our trigger response. So we will be mapping this data now. Okay, for mapping, scroll down, simply click it over here, come to Excel trigger response, and from here let us select the data that we want to send. That is the subject line, welcome to Pabbly. Here we have to select the content type as plain text, and here we have to map the body content. So here I'll be just giving the body content as hello, and after that I'll be just mapping the name of the customer, hello demo name. After that we have to map the data that we have got from our trigger response, that is the message we want to send to the customer, and after that let us give it as regards Pabbly team. Okay, and along with this particular message we want to send the attachment link also. So I'll just give it as file link. Okay, and here we'll be mapping the file link that we have got from our trigger response. Okay, and I'll just give a space over here. Okay, so here we have drafted a message, hello demo name. We have mapped the data, that is the body of the message. Then we have mapped the file link also, regards Pabbly team. Now here it is asking for the to recipient to whom you want to send the mail. So here we'll be mapping the email address of the concerned customer, that is demo@pabblytunes.com. Okay, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means the mail has been sent to the customer. Let's check the email address or the Outlook account. Okay, and here we have got a new mail, welcome to Pabbly. So let's open the mail, and here we have got the mail subject as welcome to Pabbly, and here we have got the mail body content as hello demo name. Thanks for signing up Pabbly Connect. Also keep an eye on your inbox as we will be sharing some amazing tips to make the most of your trial period. If you have any confusion or wish to upgrade to a paid plan, I'll be more happy to assist you. And here we have got the file link also. So I'm just going to click on the file link, and here we can see that a Pabbly Connect core integration image is shared. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we are going to check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not, because it is a one-time process and we have set up an automation. So let's move to the Excel sheet once again, and here I'm just going to enter a new detail of a new customer. So here I have entered the details, name as dummy name customer. Here I have taken the email address as dummy@pabblytunes.com. Subject as partnership agreement. Here I have drafted a message as thank you for choosing Pabbly Connect to partner with you on this project. Our team manager will contact you within a week to schedule an appointment to go over the fine details and confirm the next steps. And here I have added the attachment link also. Okay. Now we have to check whether the customer has received any mail on his Outlook account or not. For that, let's move to the Outlook account once again, and we have to just refresh it. And even after refreshing, we can't find a new mail shared just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So we have to wait for some time. Okay, and after some time, we have got a new mail received over here, that is for the partnership agreement. The subject is partnership agreement, and here we have got the mail to dummy name. So the customer name is correctly mentioned this time. And here we have got the message as thank you for choosing Pabbly Connect to partner you on this project. And here we have got the file link also. So I'm just going to open the file link. So here the document is shared, which is a partnership agreement document. Okay. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So whenever the data is getting added to the Excel spreadsheet over here, automatically the mails are getting sent to the Outlook account of the customer. And in this way, we have set up the automation. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Microsoft Excel and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new data is added to a specific Excel worksheet, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details. And then using those details, we have sent the mails to the customer on their Microsoft Outlook account. And in this way, we have learned that how we can send the emails with attachment from MS Excel to Microsoft Outlook using Pabbly Connect. Thank you. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.